There is an old tradition, a game we all can play. You start by getting liquored up and sharpening your blade. You take a shot of whiskey, you grab your—
You need to learn some culture! If you think that this utter revolting piece of trash is priceless!
And pray and spread apart your—
You need to learn some culture! If you think that this utter revolting piece of trash is priceless!
And this is what you say: oh, I have all my—
You need to learn some culture! If you think that this utter revolting piece of trash is priceless!
Chop, 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 if I miss the spaces in between my—
You need to learn some culture! If you think that this utter revolting piece of trash is priceless!
will come off, and if I hit my—
You need to learn some culture! If you think that this utter revolting piece of trash is priceless!
blood will soon come out, but all the same I play this game, cause that's what it's all about. No, you can't use a pencil, cannot use a pen, the only way is with it.
You need to learn some culture! If you think that this utter revolting piece of trash is priceless!
When danger is your friend, and some may call it stupid, some may call it dumb, but all the same we play this game because it's so damn fun. Oh, I have all my—
You need to learn some culture!
Chop, 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 if I miss the spaces in between my—
If you think that this utter revolting piece of trash
will come off, and if I hit my—
is priceless!
the blood will soon come out, but all the same I play this game cause that's what it's all about. Oh, chop, 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 I'm picking up the speed, and if I hit my—
I'll shoot you in the heart with another heart, you tin can of a man!
then my hand will start to bleed.